Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the fundamentals of microbiology, exploring the microscopic world. Microbiology such are the tiny living organisms that can only seen with a microscope. These field examples are the bacterial, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Understanding these organisms is a crucial for the fundamental science. Next is the types of the microorganism. Microorganisms can be classified into several categories: bacteria, archaea, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Each type has the unique characteristics and play the different role in the ecosystem. For example, bacteria are the essential for the nutrient cycling, while viruses can infect the other microorganisms and influence the population's dynamic. Microbial structures. Microbial cells exhibit the diverse structure and the functions bacteria. For instance, can be unicellular or form the colonies with the cell walls and composed of the peptidoglycan. Understanding these structures help in identifying the microbes and their metabolic pathway, which are the crucial for their survival and the reproduction. Microbial growth and reproduction. Microorganisms reproduce primarily the binary fission, where a single cell divided into two, and their growth can be influenced by environmental factors. Understanding these growth conditions is vital for the application in biotechnology and medicine. Next is the microbiology in the health. Microbiology play a crucial role in a healthcare, particularly in understanding the infectious disease. Knowledge of the pathogens and their transmission can lead to the effective treatments and preventive measures. Additionally, the study of the human microbiome reveals the importance of microbes in maintaining the health. Next is the conclusions. The exploration of the microscopic world reveals the complexity and significance of microorganisms in various fields, from health to environmental science. Understanding these tiny entities enhances our ability to tackle the challenges such as the disease control and sustainable practices. Continued research in the microbiology is essential for the future advancement. Thank you for watching.